They can help with digestion. They can help to build up gut support. They can help to fight bacteria if you're exposed. But yeah, honey is the only food in the world that is nutritionally intact after thousands and thousands of years. So, it's a testament to all of the different incredible benefits of honey. And something that's been really interesting as a parent, and I know you can relate to this, all of the studies showing that honey is just as effective as all of these over-the-counter cough syrups.
Yeah.
Like, why would we give our kids chemicals when honey does the trick?
That's right.